Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday morning now. Obviously, we were gardening yesterday. Kids still didn't make it. Last time I heard them was about 3 o'clock this morning, so maybe they'll be out here in a little bit. Anyway, got a big bass tournament going on today. There's a whole bunch of boats in the water. Wind's out of the northwest. It's not too bad, probably about 8 or 9 this morning, so we're going to get out here. We're going to start where we finished the other day before we had the little trolling motor mishap. Glad I didn't get any of that on camera because that was 2 monkeys in a football. But we're going to try them again today. Hopefully the kids will call us here in a little bit and we'll go pick them up at the dock. So we're going to fish them a little bit, see if we can find them again. The lake's up. The water color's better today than it was Friday when we were out here. Lake's up a couple of feet. So hang with us. We're gonna chase some crappie this morning. About an hour later than we wanted to be, but it's okay. We're on the water, and as long as the bass fishermen will leave us alone, it's gonna be a great day. He's not very big. I didn't put the video out for Friday, but that's exactly what we were catching Friday too, you little bitty dinks. But it's crappie. I will find them. That fish was doing this to the rod and the line was doing this. Oh. So let me tell you what's happening right now. These fish are not real aggressive. I mean, this pile we're sitting on has fish sitting on it, but they're reaching up there and they're grabbing it by the tail and they're not really doing anything with it other than sucking on it. So you feel them, you feel pressure, but it's not long enough for them to get a good hook set. So
watch out.
Well, she got a hook set, and she like fell out of the boat.
He took it down to the brush. I had to wait on it. That, my friends, is a good fish. Isn't it?
Isn't it? Isn't it? He's not very big.
2 to 2.
show y'all this brush pile real quick. It's huge. Can't do this without busting my hiney. So we're in 15 foot of water. This right here is the bottom of the lake. This is the brush pile. It's raising up about 6 feet in areas. Some of it's a little lower than that, but that's what we're fishing. Maybe some fish laying right on top of it. They're not very active right now. But that's 2D sonar. I'd love to have down imaging up here so I can get a good look at it. But you can see the pile as we're moving around a little bit. Waves are moving to some. It starts to break off. It looks like there's more on the outside edges than it is on the big pile. But that's what we're looking at. You know, we're looking at 2D sonar trying to stay on top of these brush piles. Quit playing with your feet.
Look at the ant bites.
Playing with her feet. Fish be like, this side. This is open water. We're right out in the middle of the lake on a big brush pile. This is a little deeper water. We're actually fishing in 19 right now, so we moved out. That's the first one. We just pulled right off this pile. About 12 incher. Yep. Dancing with myself.
We almost were dancing together, honey.
The buku got to come through. That's all I got to say. So yeah, this is a buku SR 7-foot medium action rod. We showed you this before. We set up on a tri-swivel. Get this a little closer. Set up on a tri-swivel. Coming up from the line, and then I've got a weight. That one's probably about 13 or 14 inches, but good for this type brush pile because I can feel that weight hitting and I'm still getting in it. It still goes down, the weight will still go down between the limbs, but at least I can feel it when it hits, so I know about where I'm at. But right now, the fish are in the brush and they're sucking it down every time into the brush for us. Hey! She touched my behind again. Did you show him that crappie? Right over my head? Yeah. That ain't right. That ain't right. face it, this don't pay to be a crappie fisher. We got bass boats all around us. Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. Oh, I hope their weigh-ins at noon. Pretty good one. He's not a keeper, but he acted like he was.
Oh,
You're winning. Okay. Hang on. That's a big fish. Bad when you set the hook and he looks like a flying fish.
they must be have been in the play yard today.
Did you throw him away?
Yeah, he pooed in the boat on my leg.
They just put that poo on my leg. Oh. Need a big one. There are a ton of them little critters in this lake. That's good though. Population's in good shape. If they raise the lake level, they got lots of places to hide while they're growing. Yeah. He ain't gonna be leg now.
No,
She's a stealth fisherman. can go get the kids. So there's Crappie Killer Cody.
That's a terrible name, but try again next time.
I don't think you like that one. That's Nicole. She don't have a nickname yet. We're gonna have to work on her. She just got back from Seattle. Crappie Killer Cody. That's
I like it.
KKC, brother.
Do me a favor, people. If you ever
CKC.
if you ever hear him talk to me like that, ignore him.
I can't believe you said that to me.
It's a dad thing.
Hey, hey, turn around back here.
Spin the boat. There you go.
Oh, that's on camera. I think I was in the way.
Beautiful.
Was that on purpose?
Nope. Next time, spin the other one.
It's been a while since I fished on a boat.
Been that way.
I'm used to fishing on the side of a river. That's pretty fun.
It's real funny. I was gonna get you. That's a big
First
fish.
fish back from Seattle's 12 1/4. You gotta love it.
Awesome. All right, Cody, show her up. Aw. Yay, I'm moving.
Woohoo!
That one don't count, I'll tell you that.
No,
Down in the boat.
it's the littlest one.
Aw.
You gotta catch him.
When it's next to me, it looks really big.
We just had two. Woo!
Riding the waves.
We just had two boats go by. Both of them inside 50 yards at full speed.
How rude.
How rude. Who's that? Jar Jar? How rude.
How rude.
How rude. And then look at us like we're doing something wrong.
I think you got one.
Nikki. Oh, look how little.
I'm not even coming up there for that one.
My little babies.
Not more than anybody on this boat. Get it. That's the one that got away from you kids.
Whoa, Phil.
Oh, come on, come on.
Bring it in, bring it in.
Get him.
Oh, that's a good crappie.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, you barely had that crappie hooked.
Nice. I think it's the one I lost a second ago.
You think?
I told you. If it's the one you lost in a second ago.
Nice.
Very nice crappie.
Got him finally.
Good. We're kind of caught
Weird.
I don't think he's big enough. Little cushy.
The babies love me.
It's a buggin'.
Wow. Another one. The littlest fish every time. I'm telling you. What exactly is a Yankee Doodle?
Well, when you feel like you get a bite and you yank it real hard, it ain't there.
Ah,
So we started calling it Yankee Doodle, and then we sang the Yankee Doodle song. I sing it to Chris all the time.
got it.
Got one.
Didn't get skunked.
Did you swallow the hook?
Yep. We got a whole week coming up in October. Be out here every day. Look, everybody caught a fish. At least one. All that. In fact, you're out here on the water having a great day. It's a beautiful day. So we're gonna call it a day. It's about 3:30 or so, 3:15. It's been a fun day. Glad the kids came out to spend the day with us. Finally got the, what do you want to be called?
I don't think it's something.
Okay, well for today,
Don't even think of. No, it's not gonna be that.
nah.
Heard that.
Anyway, we had a great day. Say bye, everybody.
Hi.
We'll be back out here. I got a COVID deploy for 2 weeks, but we'll be back out here in the 1st of October when I get back. And we're gonna spend a week out here. We got a camping trip. Chris and Lynette coming up, so we got a lot of fun getting it happen. Thanks for being with us today. We hope you come join us again. Remember, go to Facebook, Uncle Bill's Crappie Attitude. Go to YouTube, Uncle Bill's Crappie Attitude. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so we can notify when we send you a video. And leave us some comments. If you've got a nickname for Cody, put it in the comments and we'll run it by. Maybe your name will be the name he gets.
Good.
Huh?
Tell them it better be good.
He said it better be good. Thanks a lot. Fish out.